Hello, my friends, and welcome to the Waldorf Astoria, where we have spent the last 2 days installing Vanessa and Robert's absolutely beautiful, over-the-top, opulent, lush, gorgeous, romantic, modern wedding. This wedding has been 1,277 days in the making. Now that's a really long time to wait to get married. This couple got engaged. They contacted me in November of 2018. And when the pandemic hit, this couple called me up and said, first of all, we don't want you to worry about anything. We are going to move forward, but we're going to wait because this moment matters. And I just love that. The act of bringing people together and gathering meant so much to them that they were willing to delay their own gratification in order to have this moment right here. Now for me as a designer, that makes everything so much more important. It makes it so much more worth it. Our team started yesterday at 9 a.m. We have well over 100 people in this building working. We have beautiful carpet. We have champagne colored drapes. We've got flowers everywhere. Flowers on the ceiling, flowers on the floor, flowers in arches. I wanted to give Vanessa the feeling of the world was just a perfect place for that one day. And when you wait this long, you deserve the dream and you deserve the fairy tale. And so for me, it's just a pleasure to be able to give it to them. We actually went ahead and we laid drape on each side of the ceremony set so that we really focus and train the eye on the actual altar. We've got these gorgeous kind of hand-painted, like abstract panels. They are covered in the absolute prettiest pink flowers. We've got towering florals. We're gonna reset the chairs, pull up the carpet, and reveal that underneath the entire time, we've had a beautiful hand-painted dance floor that actually matches the panels on the stage. And something you're gonna see at this wedding that has never ever been done before at the Waldorf Astoria is a floral ceiling installation. We were given permission to go up into the ceiling, and we have crystals and orchids and roses, quite literally falling from the sky. So for everybody at home who watches and wonders what happens behind the scenes at a wedding, follow along. Make sure that you check out our highlight reel on Instagram. And to Vanessa and Robert, I just couldn't love you anymore. So thank you so much. Bye guys.